One of my poems that have been written in Kannada language with this very famous quotation from Louis L.A. No person, no place, and no thing have any power over us, for we are the only thinkers in our mind. When we create peace and harmony and balance them in our minds, we will find it in our life. This quotation is taken from one of the famous writer, Louis L.A. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My co-invited poets and poetesses hailing from different parts of the country that have been all assembled and present here this evening. Our most respected dignitaries on the dais at the outset, on behalf of the poets delegates, represented the state of Meghalaya, the land where the cloud comes home. I would like to take this golden privilege of expressing my sincere gratitude to the organizers of this very auspicious, special organized literary event, the third International Literary Festival, Note Bengal 2021. And in a very special way, I would like to express my personal thanks to Shri Subhashish Kumar Paul, the organizing secretary of the festival, for his kind gesture to invite me to be a part of this vibrant and meaningful literary event, and for obliged to accept. Wait just 1 minute. And for obliged to accept my personal request to invite my co-poet from Meghalaya, Shri One-Step Bengal. Indeed, it was clearly understood that from the series prefixed to this International Literary Festival, it could have been understood that it has been conducted successfully twice in the past years, and now we are all gathered here for a vivid and specific purpose known to each one of us, that is to jointly celebrate the third ILF 2021, beautifully organized here at Suryashan Mancha in the most beautiful town of Islampur, Uttar Dinajpur, West Bengal, India, a place that makes us truly exclusively like we are in a home far away from home, with its beauty, kindness and hospitality. Thank you, Sir Subhashish, for this awesome and worthy feelings. Well, I may genuinely confess that initially, when I was invited to attend the program by Master Secretary Subhashish, and of course when taking into consideration of the prevailing unhealthy situation caused by the recent global pandemic COVID-19 that brought for a while the whole world to a standstill and its post effects globally, I was hesitated to oblige to his kind invitation. But sir, after a pause for a second thought, and going by the massive literary impact of such a literary festival, I was indeed compelled to bow my head undoubtedly in great respect to his call. I truly believe that this third literary festival is not a mere fancy festival where we all came to simply risking our life ourselves aimlessly and wasted our works, precious time blindly, unproductively, leaving our families, leaving our works behind for 2 consecutive days to be just a part of the show. Perhaps I strongly believe that it plays a more meaningful role in inviting all of us for the best reasons and a mission to come, join and put our heads together to celebrate in unison with each ignited poetic minds, where words of wisdom shall truly prevail to light the world through poetry. Alice Osborne, an author and a songwriter from United Kingdom, once wrote, I quote, "Poetry is an important because it helps us understand and appreciate the world around us. Poetry's strength lies in ability to shed a sideways light to the world. So the truth sneaks upon you, no question about it. Poetry teaches us how to live, and it is like the Windex on a grubby car window. It bears open the vulnerabilities of human beings so we can all relate to each other a little better. For your kind information, Meghalaya is one of the small states of the previous 7 sisters of northeastern state. Now, the 8 sisters after inclusion of Sikkim. Meghalaya covering a total area of 22,249 square kilometers with a total population of 29,66,889 as per 2011 census. It was located in the northeastern part of the country, India, and the state was created in the year 1971 by carving out 2 districts from the state of Assam, the United Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills and the Garo Hills. The state was bounded by an Indian state of Assam to the north and northeast and by Bangladesh to the south and southwest. Besides its beauty, natural scenic beauty, vibrant culture, it was also blessed with 3 major and rich and important state-owned languages known as Khasi, Panar and Garo, of which Khasi and Garo are the 2 medium of instruction in schools, colleges and even at the university level.